Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and Merciful. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and being a part of this extraordinary event that we are trying to put up for you guys. I would request folks who are outside to please start coming in. We are starting the show now. I'm going to be doing a few introductions, and we have a little something special we've put up for our artists as well as for our sponsors. So we'll start with that. So good evening, everyone. My name is Shakil Shamji, and along with my partner in crime, Hamad Heather here from New York City. I'm from Pennsylvania. Thank you very much for coming to this Voices of Soul, Hamza Akram, Kaval and Brothers event that is basically the third event that we are putting up in North America. Before we start the main show, some housekeeping rules. Please make sure that your stomachs are full by this lovely food that Charminar restaurant has arranged for you guys. Eating is allowed inside, so that's great. People know where the restrooms are as you walk out. On the left side, there's a restroom, and we also have a little room that we have kept for prayers. If anybody wants to go and perform their prayers, you're more than welcome to do that. So, thank you very much once again. No show is complete without sponsors. So I would like to take a few minutes to acknowledge and recognize some of our sponsors. As you can see here, or on the screens on the side, Charminar Restaurant has been really supportive, and they're relatively new in this area. And thank you, Charminar. Thank you, Ashwin, for their support. We could not have done this show without introducing my next promoter, Mr. Aslam Parvez Saab, who's sitting right here. Most people know he's a very well-known person in the Atlanta Desi community. Thank you, Parvez Bhai, for your support. We look forward to doing many more shows with you in the near future, inshallah. And thank you once again from the bottom of our heart. The next promoter we have is Kamar Saab, who is running a little late, I think. I don't see him here. But he's the owner of the Kebab King restaurant. And I'm telling you, my Kavals are in awe of the food that he's been providing them since last night. And I hope you all also have tasted his stuff from his restaurant. So thank you, Kamar Saab, for promoting our show. Another promoter we have is Shanila Memon. I don't know if she's here. She has also helped us socially to get the word out to you guys. So thank you, Shanila, for helping us. Do follow her on Pardes events online. And then Harvey's booth. How many people know Harvey's booth? Not many. Oh, you do. So Harvey Humayu is, I came across him online. Wonderful person. He helped promote this, so he couldn't be here. He's a DJ. He does a lot of hosting for private parties, weddings, and so on. He's very popular, has an immense following on social media. So thank you, Harvey's booth, for promoting and helping us out get the crowd that we were aiming for. And last but not the least, our main promoter, our national promoter, Tap Tap Send. That's the money sending app to globally. I would like to thank them for their support. They have been with us in all our shows, and I would encourage people to take a look at their app online. And here's a little thing. So Tap Tap Send is the money transfer app built for communities like ours, people who are here but whose hearts are still very much back home. Fast, simple, and no hidden fees. Millions of people use it to send money abroad. In fact, I just signed up recently, yesterday, and I've used it to send money to India and Pakistan both. But they have a very good coverage and network, very reliable. And here's the thing, for all of you guys, they are running a special. If you sign up with them and use the code, which is Voice of Soul, you get $30 bonus amount of money that goes to the country you're sending. So please go and check them out. And a big round of applause, please, for Tap Tap Send. So let's talk about our artists. Our artists, Hamza Akram, Kaval and Brothers, what we've done is we've prepared a little documentary like a few minutes, 5 minutes, where we want to introduce our artists formally to everyone. But before that, I would like to present Tap Tap Send and their ad, followed by our little Qawwali presentation. And then we will call the artists up on the stage to start the show. Here's the presentation.